Welcome to the AI era, a time when artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the business landscape. In their book, Lead Smart in the AI Era, Amit Kumar Jain and Surbhi Jain provide visionary insights on how business leaders can thrive in this rapidly evolving digital environment. AI is transforming industries by automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and creating new opportunities. But with great power comes great responsibility. Leaders must harness AI's potential while mitigating risks such as fake data, cyber attacks, and fraud. The authors emphasize the importance of visionary leadership. Just as Steve Jobs revolutionized computing with a graphical user interface, today's leaders must anticipate and adapt to technological changes to stay ahead. Lead Smart in the AI era is filled with real-world examples that illustrate the power of AI. From Uber's disruption of the transportation industry to Netflix's data-driven content recommendations and IBM's Deep Blue defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov, AI continues to reshape our world. The authors provide actionable strategies for business leaders to leverage AI effectively. Key strategies include fostering a culture of innovation, investing in AI-driven tools, and prioritizing ethical considerations to build trust with stakeholders. In the AI era, risks such as fake data, cyber attacks, and fraud are ever present. The book offers practical advice on how to identify and mitigate these risks, ensuring that AI technologies are used responsibly and securely. Lead Smart in the AI era is a must-read for business leaders looking to navigate the complexities of digital transformation. By embracing AI with a visionary mindset and strategic approach, leaders can unlock unprecedented opportunities and drive their organizations toward a prosperous future. To learn more, grab your copy of Lead Smart in the AI era today and start your journey toward becoming a smarter leader in the AI-driven world.